Hey friends, happy whatever day it is when you're watching this. My name is Kwana if you haven't been here before, and today I'm just going to show y'all how I got ready for the Clemson football game. So I've already done my eyebrows because there's an eyebrow routine, so y'all can go watch that. So here I'm just using concealer on my eyelids to prime them, and I'm blending it out, and then I'm going in with the James Charles palette and using this orange and just sweeping it all over my eyelid up to my brows almost. Then I'm going to go and use this light purple shade and put it lower on my eyelid. So I'm not going to take it up as far, but I'm going to still take it up above my crease almost until it meets the end of the orange shade. I'm just going to use circular motions and sweep back and forth. Very simple. Now I'm going to use this darker purple. I'm going to put it even lower. I'm just going to barely take this right above where my crease starts and keep doing the same exact thing, just going in circular motions and sweeping back and forth. Then I'm going with the brush I started with that I had the orange shade on. I'm not putting any product on it, and I'm just using that to blend the three colors together. And that's really it. So now I'm going to use concealer again, and I'm going to do a cut crease. So all I do is use a really flat brush. Here I'm just looking to see where my crease starts, and I'm going to literally take it and stamp right above where my crease line is, and then I'm just going to follow the shape of my crease. That's the way that I do it, because I think that's the easiest way to do it. And then I'm going to kind of stretch my eye to get the line more precise, and then I'm just going to fill it in. But I'm not taking it all the way out. It's going to be like a half cut crease. That's pretty much what I always do because I'm lazy and it's easy, but it still looks good. So then once you have that how you want it, I'm going to take this white matte shade and I'm just going to use that to set the concealer in place. And then I'm going to use this Bling Boss palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to put that all over. So this is still a white, but it's like a shimmery white, so there's like little specks of like gold in it. It's real cute. Now I'm going to struggle to open this. Now I'm going to use this shimmery purple. It's like a really light purple. It almost looks pink. But I'm just going to use that and kind of blend that color with the white color. And then on the very outer corner of my eye, I'm going to use that dark purple shade again, and I'm just going to blend that in with the purple. And kind of take it up above my crease again to define that cut crease shape a little bit more. Then I'm going to go in and add a little bit more of that shimmery purple shade, and then to finish this off I'm just going to use this black eyeliner really close to my lash line, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes. So the lashes that I'm using today, I don't show it, but they are the Ardell Wispies. Now I'm going to use some foundation, and I'm going to use the same stuff I always use to prime, this black Radiance moisturizing oil or something. It'll be in the description box. And then I'm going to use the Smashbox primer because it really helps to fill in my giant pores. Then we're going to slap some foundation on. I'm just going to blend that in circular motions all over my face. then I'm going to use this Black Radiance concealer stick to bronze up my face to bring some color back into it, because my foundation makes me look a little crazy. So now I'm using Black Radiance color corrector. It's like this orangish peachish shade. I'm just using that to help hide the dark circles under my eyes from the lack of sleep that I get in this life. And I'm going to use my same foundation brush to help blend in that dark concealer on the outer parts of my face. Now I'm going to use this concealer, the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer from NYX that I always use because it's cheap and it's great. I'm going to blend that in under the eyes to brighten ourselves up a little bit. And then we're going to, I always pull my nose to one side on this side of my face because my eye is really wrinkly under there, and if I don't do that, then it looks like the concealer is settling into my line. So anyways, now I'm going to use some powder. I'm not baking. I am using this powder and I'm literally pressing it into my skin, so I'm not letting it sit on top and sweeping it away. I'm pressing it in today because we're going to be outside and it's hot and I don't want my face to melt off because this is a lot. Once we have that done, I'm going to use our Black Radiance contour palette, and I mix the two middle shades together. Also, I noticed when I'm turning, y'all can see this piece of hair that's like sticking out of the back of my head. Ignore that. Once I've done that, I actually used what is that thing called? It's like an NYX cream blush. I feel like I've used it in every video. I used that before, and now I'm using this Black Radiance powder blush. And then I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution setting spray, and then take my this is not a beauty blender, but my little sponge, and I'm going to press that in so that the powder and everything like settles into my skin. I don't look so cakey. And then I'm going to go back into that same palette and use all the same colors I used before. So I'm taking this orange, I'm sweeping it under my eye and connecting it with the orange on the top. And then I'm pretty sure my camera goes out of focus. Yeah, so my camera's out of focus, but I pretty much did the same thing here. So I'm using the dark purple shade with like a flat brush. And I'm using it like almost like an eyeliner. I'm putting it really close to my lash line, and then I'm just finishing with mascara. And then I'm going to use this brown lipstick and top it with gloss later on in the video. I'm going to use my Ray Ray palette with like the pink gold and highlight, and then I'm also going to use that same purple shade, that purple shimmer that I used, and highlight with that as well. And I'm pretty much done. I really hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything, or you want me to do a more detailed video on like what a cut crease is, let me know and I'll do that. Thanks for watching. Bye.